Hi folks, this is what we do when we go to Costco. We call it doing the chicken run. I've bought 3 chickens, and as soon as we get them home, we start dismantling them. The meat goes into a baking dish for now. The bones go straight into the crock pot. Now it takes probably 15 minutes or so to do this. We bought 3 chickens this time at Costco, and after dismantling them, pulling them all apart, we ended up with 7 meals and 2.5 liters of lovely chicken stock. It takes a little bit of work, but it means that I have chicken for 7 meals in the freezer. Those meals could be chicken pot pie, chicken curry, chicken soup, chicken casserole with rice, chicken chili, anything you need chicken for. I've got it in the freezer in family serving size bags, and that will keep us in chicken probably for 3 to 6 weeks, depending on how often we have something chicken on the menu. So we pull it all apart, take its pieces, put it in the tray, and then once I've put it in the tray, I will divide it up into freezer bags, depending how much. We usually buy 2 chickens, and that will usually do 5 meals. Today we bought 3 chickens, so that means 3 chicken carcasses and 3 chickens worth of pieces. What I'll do is pull out freezer bags and put them on the stands, and I will fill them with enough chicken to serve maybe 3 to 4 people a good meal, depending what we're making. And once that's done, they go into the freezer. I flatten them out, they go into the freezer to freeze, and that means I don't have to worry about chicken for quite a while. And of course, the Costco chickens, everybody knows that the Costco chickens are the best deal when it comes to chickens. They are so much better than the supermarket rotisserie chickens. They cost about $4 to $5 less, and they are probably twice the size of the supermarket chickens. So all in all, a very good value. And you can see who is looking at chicken for dinner. He really is a funny fellow. He's just sitting there waiting, thinking, if I sit here quietly, I'll get some chicken for dinner. So there we have it all bagged up, ready to go for the freezer. And that makes me feel really good. Off goes the dish to the dishwasher, and there's our 7 bags of chicken. Now in the crock pot, we have 3 chicken carcasses, and I'm going to fill that with water and put it on for probably 10 hours or so until I think that it's done. I will turn it off and I will leave it to sit for probably 4 or 5 hours to cool down enough so that I can actually pull the insert out of the crock pot and get it ready to pour my chicken broth out. And we go over to the crock pot. There's my chicken. 7 meals from 3 chickens. That's not too bad value. Costco chicken here in Australia is $6.99. And there we go. We've got 3 carcasses in the crock pot, cooking away. Next morning, here we go. I empty all that beautiful chicken stock into small plastic containers. I don't have a pressure canner, so I can't pressure can my chicken stock. I put it in the freezer in small containers of almost 2 cups. So anytime I need chicken stock, I just pull one out of the freezer, or 2 or 3, depends what I'm making. And I've got beautiful rich chicken stock ready to make chicken curry, chicken soup, chicken gravy, chicken casserole, anything you need stock for. So out of these 3 chickens, I got almost 2.5 liters of chicken stock in 5 containers. I will pop those into the freezer for the next time I need stock. I have a lot of these little containers. They fit really nicely in the freezer. They're all labeled with a C for chicken stock, a V for vegetable stock, or a B for beef stock. So whenever I need stock, I just pop open the freezer and I pull out 1, 2, or 3, depending, of these containers, depending what kind of stock I want, chicken, beef, or vegetable. And there I go. There I have it. Beautiful stock. So on go the lids. I leave about 1 inch of headspace so that they can freeze without popping the lid off or bursting the seams. And there we go. 2.5 liters of chicken stock ready for the freezer. Thanks for watching. Oh, you can see who's interested in chicken. He's down there again. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again later. Bye.